our Deere dealers have to offer for landscape contractors that's more than the equipment, which in of itself is very impressive. And we've introduced a lot of new machines over the last couple of years, but we feel like we have a lot more to offer and convey that to these customers.
Awesome. I think it's really cool that John Deere puts this on, obviously, for us guys to get out here and see some of the equipment that we don't necessarily get to see every day. Operate and run them, do all that kind of stuff's pretty cool. This 1585 front mount's pretty awesome. We do some snow removal and stuff like that, so I think it'd be beneficial to have a blower or a blade on the front of that. You know, heated cab. Actually, it's got air conditioned cab too, which I don't necessarily think we need, but it'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I think the event's awesome. I say I was honored when my dealer called and asked me to come, so it was a really cool event for sure.
This is our new 1R tractor, 1R25. It comes with an optional factory installed heat and air conditioned cab. You can also get that same cab in the 1M, and then obviously all the new 1 Series come as an open station model as well. You can see from the back where we're at right here, you've got a LED work light in the back that's optional equipment. We've got an optional beacon light on the top there for job sites as well. You can see our iMatch hitch to be able to be compatible with most of our rear implements as well, to make it really easy to connect and remove different implements off the back. But let's walk around here. So the fenders are all redesigned on this. The new look in general. You've got a one-piece opening hood.
Is that an aftermarket?
So now it opens up 7 degrees. You can get access to the battery, the screens, and do all your maintenance. Easier access to filters. So that makes it, cool looking and functional as well. And then inside, the controls are all easily accessed from the operator station there, kind of redesigned to be more comfortable and close to the operator. You've got twin touch pedals that has been in our compact utility tractors for a while, but is kind of leading class leading stuff there in terms of how easy it is to operate that with a forward and reverse pedal. You simply select the higher low range here, make sure you're out of park, and then be able to press the pedal forward or reverse to move.
So we've had about 130 different folks make their way through our facilities here in North Carolina, between our sales and marketing office in Cary, North Carolina, and then down here at our Turf Care factory in Fuquay Marina, North Carolina. And what I'd like to say is customers really got to experience and interact with everything that John Deere offers to the landscaping industry. From actually being able to get on machines on the property, from mowers to tractors to compact equipment like skid steers and excavators to gators. They got to not only see the equipment, but actually operate it and provide a lot of our team with feedback on what they might like to see improved or ideas that they've got for what they're seeing in their businesses, which was really impactful. We also
Yeah, just mess with it, throw it down. Can you just put them down one more time so I can get the front view? Awesome. Thank you. Maybe we can pull them back up. Very good.
And I think on top of it, everyone enjoys the factory tour aspect of it. So customers got to walk the line for almost 2 hours and see commercial mowers go from steel to painted to welded to fully assembled in a matter of a couple hours. So customers are really blown away that they're coming to this facility here in North Carolina, seeing commercial mowing equipment being assembled, being put together, and loaded onto trucks to head out to sites like theirs, which is really impactful, and everyone really enjoys that part of it.
We're trying out loaders, we're trying out skid steers, we're trying out new mowers, trying to upgrade our fleet. Having a great event here. John Deere's been great to us. Factory tour was awesome, seeing a lot of stuff, how it's made, so on and so forth. Yeah, I hope to do this again and hopefully my feedback becomes some changes, and hopefully it changes the way things go and it actually matters. So that's what we're here for.
Yeah, I think the customers provided us with a lot of feedback, both on our products or ways that we could maybe look to add enhancements to those over time, which again our team is very well capable of and can take that feedback and implement it to benefit customers there. But probably the most surprising thing was customers that got to see the John Deere Operations Center platform. In addition to realizing they could get a lot of value out of it with our features today, were very open with us about enhancements they would like to see, from getting better insights to specific properties, to getting better insights into machine capabilities for all of their crews to run, and how to really integrate those together to provide them with more data and more opportunity to grow their businesses.